Hello, crypto world. Thursday, stock market did it again. We're living in historic times, all-time highs in the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the tech-heavy NASDAQ makes an all-time high. Literally, you and I are living in history. This is remarkable. And in a similar manner, the dollar is down and it is at the low year to date. Here's the chart. Now let's jump over to crypto. Now crypto, unsurprisingly, is green, but I have to make an observation. The other markets are in effect at their best point year to date. And in the case of the equity markets, their best rally ever. They're at the high of their historic numbers. Why is crypto not? Whether it's Bitcoin, more or less 12% away from its all-time high, Ethereum, 15% away from its all-time high, 15% away in the case of XRP, and we can go through all cryptos. Though they're up on the week, they're not up as much as the other markets are. That's why I believe that this time period before Chairman Powell has his press conference on Wednesday, we have to be very careful in this market. I would like to see it catch up to the magnitude of the rally of the equity market and the sell-off in the dollar, but I don't think it will if it hasn't yet. And this means if there is a sell the news event after Powell speaks, or it's not sell the news, it's I don't think that what he said was bullish enough, we will see a greater drop in percentage-wise in crypto than we will see in the equity markets, because it's just that we're showing relative weakness. However, it doesn't mean that's going to happen, but I'm pointing that out, that now is kind of a strange time for me to be seeing such strength in other markets and crypto not making its all-time high, which means it's showing relative weakness. But that can all change between now and when Powell speaks. But let's hope it does, because if it doesn't, it may be a red flag about what's going to happen when a correction in the risk-on equity market happens and a correction in the dollar happens, which is totally normal, and we can't expect it to keep melting up. But when there is a correction, I am concerned the magnitude of the correction will affect crypto more than the other markets.